All right, the highlights car show now. This is the same day, July 11th, 2026. Highlights is the best car show group ever. I'm not only saying that because I'm a member, I'm saying that because it is. They are so good in every way they operate. So today is packed. There's 53 cars at the last count, and the lineup is all the way down there, and then all the way over here. All right. So it's a very good show. Now, again, nobody is doing the trivia anymore. Some people are playing the skill games, but that's about it. So I'm not sure if trivia is thing of the past because now I have the skill games or what, but still, either way, it's a lot of fun. Good show, good weather, a lot of people. And that's it for today. Tomorrow is another show, so I will catch you guys tomorrow. Okay. Okay. All right. So, you won a prize already? You want to try the same one? Okay, so here you go. First try is right. There you go. We'll give it to the prize in a second. Go ahead and give it a try. Three chances. Well, oh my God. All right. So here's your prize. All right, you guys get to pick one each, anything you want in this box, all right? Little ducks you put anywhere on the walls. Got stickers and toys and all kinds of neat stuff. Ring, all right.